Welcome in this video. I'm going to show you another new airdrop, that is early airdrop. Okay, so there is a lot of people, included me. I was thinking while I see other people's, they shared with me testnet airdrop, but there has been, so long. So this airdrop that I'm showing you this on is so new, and yet they didn't, you know publish their testnet, but they publish their whitelist. You can join their whitelist and become early part, okay, early adopter. Okay, so anyhow, how do you do that? So just click on link, same thing I said over and over again. Just a link is everything here, because you need to go through their link, and you need to go through their link and go to their website and doing exact task that they wanting to do by you. Okay, just do whatever they say to you, follow their instructions, and the part of the testnet, it is the ultimate work. Okay, nothing else, because you need to follow their instructions, and that's it. So what we need to do is here, just click on that link, and that link will bring you inside of here. So here is write down sign up for the Eternity testnet beta tester. So just click on this ebook button here. So I'm clicking on here. You need to just put your email here. So I'm putting my own. Here is this one is my email, and click on this join now. Okay, so successfully subscribed, and now what we need to do is everything is done. So see you later the next time. Until that, happy hunting.